Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Soft Hacks. In this video, I will tell you how can we convert your font family or font family style in your overleaf document. So if you don't like your by default font family or in the overleaf document, so you can also change the font family styles of your overleaf document. So let's start. First of all, I will log into my overleaf account and one of my projects I will just show you how can we change the font family of the document. So here I have a project named introduction. I will just click here to open the project. In this project I will simply put a single command from which you can easily change the font family of your overleaf project by including the single command. You can just change the font family. Don't need to put a list of lines of code. Just you need a simple one single line of code insert in your overleaf document, and from that you can change the font family of your overleaf document. So here I have opened the introduction project of my overleaf account. So here in starting where the document begins of your project, here in the second line after the document class I will here put the single command for changing the font family. So here you can see the current font family of the project. This is the current font family of this project named introduction. I will simply change the font family of this document. So let's start. Here we will just code a simple line which is renew command, and in the first curly braces we will write family. Here we will write family default, and in the other curly brace we will write SF default. So this is the single line of code which we need to change the font family of our overleaf project. So SF means here sans-serif, which is a common family style, font family style. So now we will, so you can also take a screenshot over here, or remember the code, or write this code in your some notebook. Okay, so now we will just recompile the project. Alright, so the font family has been changed due to this single line of code. So here you can see the document font family has been converted into sans serif. So there is also a second method which you can use. Just simple I use this, copy this command. I am telling you the second font family which you want to add in your Overleaf project, which is typewriter style. Just I will just simply copy this line of code and simply paste it on another line, and the first command I will make this command comment, and so that you can just clearly see the difference and remember the code. So in the second line of code, I will remove the SF which was named sans-serif. Now here in the place of SF, I will write double T, which means typewriter style. So now I will just simply recompile the file, and now you can see the rest of the font family will be converted into typewriter style. Here it is. So the font family of the document has been changed into the typewriter style. So I hope that now you can easily change the font families of your Overleaf products latex code. So my this video on conversion of your font families into different styles will be useful for your guys. I hope that this video will be helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video and subscribe to the Soft Hacks channel. Goodbye.